Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Mage AI projects for data pipelines step by step clearly. To download Mage AI projects for data pipelines, first, ensure you have a compatible environment set up. Begin by visiting the official Mage AI website. Navigate to the Projects section on the homepage. Browse the available projects to find the one you wish to download. Click on the project name for more details. Review the project documentation to understand its requirements. If prerequisites are mentioned, make sure to meet them before. Locate the download button or link provided in the project description. Click the download link to start downloading the project files. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your device. Extract the contents of the downloaded file if it is in a compressed format. Open your terminal or command prompt for further configuration. Navigate to the directory where the extracted files are located. Follow any installation instructions found in the README file included in the project. If dependencies are required, install them using the specified package manager. Configure environment variables as described in the project documentation. Once everything is set up, run the provided initialization command in your terminal. This will initialize the project and prepare it for use. You can now access and start working with the downloaded Mage AI project. Follow any additional guidelines in the documentation to customize your data pipeline as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.